Hi everyone! Today's vlog is about how do I organize my condiments. Yes, we're living in a small condo, in a small place, so organizing is really a challenge. So for this vlog, it's about how do I organize my condiments. We have a lot of condiments. You see naman yung aking asawa mahilig magluto. So ang dami-dami naming condiments. So first, what I identify how many bottles do I have. Then, second, I shop around for cabinet or anything uh, uh, yung paglalagyan ng mga condiments kasi ang liit ng space namin, so wala siyang place. So I want something na maayos siya, na organized, really organized siya. So I shop around and luckily I found this organizer from in Amazon. So this is called Cabidor. It's called Cabidor maybe because this is a cabinet. It's mounted on the door, so it's very slim. I put my condiments in 500 ml mason jars, so talagang nag-fit siya dun sa door, tamang-tama. So the next step is once it's already in the mason jars, na inorganize ko siya, so para maganda siya, I put them in 500 ml mason jars, and then I label them, and then afterwards I arrange them alphabetically. I arrange them alphabetically so para madaling maghanap. Kasi you see, di ba, kapag let's say naghahanap ka at magulo, ang tendency mo pag hindi mo mahanap, bibili ka na naman. So ang ending nun, ang dami-dami mo nang naipon of the same kind. So by organizing them in such a way na naka-alphabetize siya, madali na yung paghahanap. So nakaka-save ka ng time, at the same time hindi ka na yung bili ka ba ng bili, hindi na gano'n na hindi na gano'n na mangyayari. And then after that, I put the best before date or the expiration date under the bottle, so you know kung mag-expire na ba siya or what. Okay, so I compiled some of the photos on how I did it, so just enjoy watching the rest of the video. If you want, if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, and for the meantime, enjoy. Bye. Okay, so where is my cabidor? There, we just place it here, and beside, mas malapit siya sa kitchen. So this is the cabidor. Okay, slim siya. Okay, see that? Yeah, ito yung door ng washer dryer. Okay. So, let's open it. Okay, ayan na siya. So, okay. So, it's arranged alphabetically. May atsuete, anis, yan, and so on and so forth. Okay. Okay. So, actually, meron pa akong hindi na ilalagay dyan. Kaya, if you notice, may mga spaces pa. Okay, guys, I hope you like it. Okay, bye.